Hi everyone, it's a bit quieter now, the water's just turned off. I just want to show you guys, I've been working pretty hard today. I've got the side frames all finished, as you can see here. There's all wires running through it and tube running up there. This is the first arm I'm building. So this is the front part, this rail here, and on the end there it's got the hose hanging out. That's for the misting, which will be at the top of the roof. So I still got to build the other arm, but this arm's all coming along. So far. I was just going to show you anyhow. I'm just testing it. There's the actuator. That's the motor that runs it. And there's a couple of holes here. I'm just doing a couple of tests to work out which is the best for it. But it comes up through here to push the arm. But I'll just connect it now to the battery for you. And you can see it lifting now. It's very smooth and very quiet. And it'll stop straight up. There's the hose hanging down. And there you go. I'll just swap the battery over now so you can see it the other way. Going back down again. And there it is going down. That's the hose, it's going to hang out there. That's okay because that's going to hook onto the rest of it. But everything goes through the tube so it looks nice and clean. There you go guys. So yeah, working pretty hard today. Getting most of it done. Working out the actuator, taking a fair bit of time to get it all set up, and that's all running really well. It's all nice and smooth, and you can see here all the arm, it's all finished here as well. Great, thanks for watching.